Hello then, welcome, Charles Silvestri. Today's Wednesday, March 20. Today is the first day of spring. I guess the best way of thinking about and receiving this great gift of spring is that if you are the person that survive on the winter, all right, the spring is just arrived. That's a good thing about life. Now, for you that prepare yourself now for the spring, guess what? The summer it's coming. So preparation is the mother of game. We should just respect the seasons of life, the seasons of the Mother Nature, and we are very excited to have this great spring. Today's the temperature here in Boston. It's gonna hit 52, and we're excited about it. We're very excited because a lot of people know that Boston's a very cold place. But for those that got themselves prepared on winter, the spring have just arrived, and we are just waiting for the summer.